Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk through how to use Zoho Project for planning your office renovation. We'll cover the essential steps you need to keep your renovation project organized and on track. First, you'll want to establish your project. Log into your Zoho Project account and click on Create New Project. Name your project something like Office Renovation 2025. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for all your renovation details. It keeps everything in one place, making it easier to manage. Now that we've done that, the next step is to add tasks. Click on Add Task and start listing everything you need to do for your renovation. You might have tasks like hire contractor, purchase supplies, and schedule inspections. This helps us because it breaks down a complex project into manageable parts, and it ensures nothing is overlooked. Next up, assign the tasks to team members. Click on a task and select Assign. This is crucial because it delegates responsibility. It ensures each task has a clear owner, which improves accountability and efficiency. After that, set up your timeline. Click on Gantt chart and input your dates and dependencies. This helps us visualize the project schedule, see how tasks relate to each other, and understand the impact if a task is delayed. Then, it's time to track your progress. You can do this by updating task statuses and using the timesheet function. This allows you to see at a glance where you are in the project and make adjustments as needed. Finally, don't forget to communicate. Use the discussion and feed functions to keep your team updated and resolve issues quickly. Effective communication is key to any successful project. And there you have it. You've just planned an office renovation using Zoho Project. Remember, the key is to stay organized, communicate effectively, and track your progress. Thanks for joining us today, and happy planning.